Pretty excited to have my teammates try out the water. I'll do the bike. So for 70.3, we do a 90-kilometer bike.
Team Helios team. See you tomorrow on the start line.
Hey guys, we're doing bike check-in today in Ironman 70.3. Of course, we're doing relay for Helios. Let's go!
Good luck for everybody.
Yeah, good luck.
Safe race, everybody.
We got the timing chip. Of course, this timing chip will not stay on my wrist. It will have to be on my left leg facing outward. There you have it, the athlete check-in. We're so excited to start. Set your tuna Ironman 70.3. We'll see you on the start line.